In this video, I'm going to show you how to make really cool decals with lighter colored retainer backgrounds. With this new technique. This is part 2 of a series. Part 1, it was more transparent decals on darker backgrounds. It'll be something more like this, a transparent logo. I'm going to put this cat, something that you can do, inside a retainer. So let's begin. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this out. I'm actually going to put a layer on the back side. In the first video I showed you the technique, I put the liquid on the front side, but this one's going to be different. So I compress the label down so it's glued. It's like gluing down. It's an acrylic medium. And then I put a layer on top. And we're just going to sit and let that air dry. Meantime, let me show you some other images that I did. You can see how really cool the black on white looks. The decal actually looks like it's part of the retainer. This is a transparent logo. That was the same technique. And these are color logos. You can see that they look awesome when they're finished on lighter backgrounds. The next step after this is 100% dry. We're going to add a layer of clear acrylic over it. First you want to put the powder on. And then the liquid. This, for instance, was taken with a dark transparent logo, and this was the first technique that I showed you in the first video. Now this is a couple of samples that I made that demonstrate techniques. This is technique 1. This was the first video I made last week. So if you didn't get a chance, take a look at it. Here's some other decals that I used in technique 2, the color decals. So you get an idea of what they look like when they're finished. Hey, quick show note. Thank you very much for checking out my Amazon shop, and for those that you made purchases, I totally appreciate it. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. You can take a look below in the description on this video. The winner of the ink pencil this week was Scott Wood, so I will be in contact with you to send that item off to you. Thank you for leaving a comment. Thanks for joining along. If you like this video and you like this content, please leave me a thumbs up, and we will see you next week on Tuesday, where we learn a little bit about duplicating 3D models. Interesting.